They're out of water, almost out of food, and out of water. So they're now going through 3 gallons of water a day, and it's not quite enough. So I think I have plans. We're going to rig something up, get us a little bit more water in with the chickens. Puppy saw me coming. Now we've actually moved the puppies from in front of the house down to here. So now they got a nice big run really close to the goats and the chickens, a little bit more inside. Hey, we still do just 1 dog at a time. Right, buddy? Yeah, you're jumpy. Big puppy. Somebody forgot to turn the fence back on this morning after he did his chores. We're still trying to get into the routine now that the dogs are over here, trying to let the dogs out, feed the goats, get the dogs back in, feed the dogs, check the chickens, and we're working on a system. It's not quite down yet, so there's gonna be some things that are forgotten, obviously. Looks like, which one of you? Oh, Blue. Blue lost his, well, you're mad I'm in here, aren't you, bro? They can see me now. Before, they couldn't really see us very well. But Blue, our goat, lost his collar. Looks like it's laying over there. We're out, goats. That's not broken, it must just slipped off. Hey, Big Blue. Hey, Big Blue. Big Blue. Come in, buddy. There we go. Nice and easy. Always tripping on goats. No, you guys are staying in right now. I don't feel like chasing you around today. Look out, goats. Whew. Snuck in there. What you waiting for? Think I got some food? Any eggs? Nothing down there. One way back there. There they all are. See if I can get this in one hand. It's probably about maybe a third full. It's not terribly heavy. There we go. All right, main chores are done. I think we're gonna go tackle the chicken waterer next. So I have a 5-gallon bucket and some little water dispensers. Let's see if we can get them attached to the bucket. All right, I think it's everything we need right here. All right, we got our bucket, drill, and we got, it's like a little package, has everything you need in it, including the drill bit. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 of them. So I don't think we'll use all 15. I think I'll probably split it. Maybe I'll do 7 around this one. And then in the future, if I need to add a second 5-gallon bucket down there, we'll have 7 more to go from there. All right. Okay, I think we're pretty good. I'm gonna clean off these little burrs. And the inside. Okay, washer. This should just screw right in. Yep. Oh, wasp. Oof. Not sure where that thing went to. Felt like it was on my back. So these screw in, and there's also like a wing nut that goes on the inside. Helps keep it snug. All right, final one is in. We're good to go. Wanna go for a ride, buddy? Okay, buddy. Whoa, what you got? You're welcome. So my thought was, instead of setting it on the ground, I'd mount maybe like this here, and then a bracket, and then it should hang, yeah, about like that. Actually, that's probably about perfect. What do you think? Is that gonna work, buddy? Mm-hmm. Okay.
It'll work.
Yep, it'll work.
It'll work.
Yep, all right, let's see what we got here. All right, you wanna hang on that side so you can hold the board? You wanna hold the board for me? Mm-hmm. Oh, you're gonna help drill it? Okay, I'll put one here. Ready? Perfect. Okay, and one down here. All right. You want to come in? Mm-hmm. Ready? Oh, big guy.
This one. This one. This one.
No, not yet, buddy. about. Okay, let's see. All right, you want to put it in the hole?
My choice.
Okay, you gonna drill it? Ready? Oh yeah.
No,
Perfect.
hold you.
Yep.
Me too.
We're using like a 3-inch leg. Should help hold all the weight. Ready? Go! Oh, got it, buddy. Good job.
Hold you.
Okay.
Come on, Dummy. Hurts. My food.
You think so?
Okay.
All right, I think we're gonna put one, we'll put it right here, okay?
Okay.
Here, okay, so we're gonna put a screw right here, buddy. Ready? Oh, that's gonna be too long. That's gonna poke through. I need shorter screws.
Oh, cocos.
Yep, shorter screws, buddy. Let's go back to the barn quick. Ready? Ah. So while I was up there, I kind of had the idea of just doing the same thing on the other side right away. And then I also found these two like plant hangers. I didn't have another one of those white ones, and I think it'd bother me if it wasn't the same. But this way, instead of coming out the side here and sticking out, I can go out the front and mount right to the 2x4. Oh, chickens everywhere. So, got another board. We'll get this mounted up. Same spot. Nope, fence is off. No, it's just off right now. There we go. All right, now for the hangers, something like that. Think so? Baby chickens love you. This is gonna hang their water buckets on, and or the feed buckets. And with the chains, we could actually do something like that too.
I think the water buckets would be better.
Yep, I think so too. All right, just like that. And actually this water will probably hang. Oh, that might be a little high, but I can add a little chain to this too. Drop it down a bit. I already actually have a little chain on this one. Might be able to steal. later on here. It might give us just enough length. Oh, puppy. Oh yeah, I think that's probably about perfect. On the way down to the water, decided to fill up with our grain too while we're down here. Look at puppy. All right, puppy. Oh. I got birdies. Oh, that one's getting it. They're figuring it out. So after letting them hang out for a while, they kind of gave up on this one, and they're all over there doing their thing. But I do want to try pulling this forward a little bit with the waters attached, just to see how bad it is. I mean, kid definitely couldn't do it. Make sure I'm not running over any chickens. Could have been worse. That's not bad. All right, day number 2, ready to go. New water is up. We'll see just how long all this water, in fact, does last. But hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll see y'all next time. Later.